Hi everyone, I'm Christine. I'm one of the physiotherapists at our Belmont location of SOS. I'm so excited to welcome you all to our very first Pregnancy in the Pelvic Floor webinar. So that will be October 27th on a Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. And I will be joined by two very informative panelists. So Jessica Clancy, our pelvic floor physiotherapist from our Northfield location, and then our very own massage therapist, Ramya, who has taken additional training in prenatal massage. So we're gonna answer all your questions and explain what is the pelvic floor, what are normal symptoms that occur through pregnancy, how do you modify your workouts to be safe throughout the journey and return to exercise postpartum, and we'll talk about diastasis and a bunch of other things. So we hope to see you all there. It's a very safe and informative webinar. Bring all your best questions, and don't forget, Wednesday, October 27th, 4:30 p.m.